Now, the next question, anginal pain. It typically occurs, anginal pain typically occurs during activity or emotional stress. What is the type of the angina disease? So first of all, what is meant by angina? So let us study about a bit about angina. So angina is fundamentally a chest pain. Why do we get chest pain? So if you take the heart, the muscle of the heart is called myocardium. Myocardium, very good. And it is supplied by coronary artery. Coronary artery is the one which is supplying the blood flow to the myocardium. So the muscle is working. When it is working, it requires oxygen. And how does the oxygen come? The coronary artery brings the oxygen. The blood in the coronary artery brings the oxygen. So suppose if the person is having a lot of lipid in his blood, lipid, fat, that fat accumulates inside the coronary and it decreases the blood flow. And when the blood flow to the heart decreases, right? Heart is after all a muscle. It's a pump. It's a muscle. So it leads to the development of the pain. And that is called as angina, is what you should remember. Then this angina, the quality of the pain is being divided into 3 types. What are the 3 types? One is called stable angina. Obviously, the other type is called unstable angina. Unstable angina. The third is called fringe metal. Fringe metal. There is no metal inside it, but still it is called metal. Fringe metal angina. And this is also called, there is another name for it, which is called variant angina. So you should remember, fringe metal or variant angina is one variety. Unstable is another variety. Stable angina is another variety. Very simple. What are the differences between the 3? You should know. First, you should know the definitions. What are the differences between the 3 of them? Why do they happen? We'll discuss about it.